In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make the halation effect in DaVinci Resolve 18 for free. It is super easy to do, actually. So the first thing you need to do is go up to DaVinci Resolve and go down to the little color tab down here. Then from here, you need to select nodes, and then you need to select your node that you want to make this effect on, right click on it and click Composite mode, and go down to screen. And as you can see over here now, it's changing a little bit. Then from here, you need to go up to effects and you need to search up edge detect and just drag it into your clip like so. And as you can see now, it looks very weird, but that's totally fine. So from here, what you need to do is go up to effects and settings. Then you need to change the mode from RGB edges to grayscale edge, and then you need to change the edge color to, I'll say, typically orange reddish color like here. Then from here you need to go down and activate the edge mask overlay like so. Then from here you need to go down here to this little curve down here, double click on one of the links down here and just drag it down until the highlights become more visible like so. Then from here you need to go up to effects again, settings, and go down to detection. Then from here you need to change the edge width, the brightness, and the gamma. Let's start with edge width. So let's change it to approximately, I'll say anything way between 0.2 to around that edge. And as you can see, it's changing a little bit like so. Then change the brightness and the gamma like so. And now you simply need to go down to this little blur icon down here. Go to radius and just drag this up. It's a little bit too much. And if it doesn't really suit your style, then you can just take down the brightness or the edge width or the gamma to make what you want to do with this halation effect. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!